Hi friends, good morning. People ask, like, when they come for a consultation, they tell me that I do not have a horoscope. Still, I want to take a astrological guidance. Is that possible? This question and this doubt is always there with many people. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the Prashna astrology, which will help people who do not have proper astrological chart or date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Hi, this is Jayashree Astrologer. Today I'm going to speak to you about Prashna. What is Prashna? Prashna is the chart which we cast at the time of you coming for the consultation, or if you are going to take an online consultation, as you are calling, the chart which we put at that point of time is what is the Prashna chart. In this Prashna chart, we take that chart as your horoscope and we read it like a normal horoscope. If suppose you're going to ask about career, you're going to ask about money, you're going to ask about how the coming 2-3 years is going to be, everything we will use that chart to do the reading. Now this is helpful for most people because in those days the times are not like date of birth and time of birth is not very accurate, and people used to have lot of handwritten horoscope and which they may have lost, so there's lot of confusion. So people, when they have lot of difficulties, when you use this chart, it becomes quite accurate. Then next is when the Prashna chart is happening, like you have done a ritual, you want to know the impact of the ritual. So what you have to do about it? Prashna chart will tell you what to do and how to do and what is the impact of the ritual, what is the depth of the ritual which has gone inside. It clearly tells you the area where you have to focus after the rituals is over. Now, and also it comes out, like when you see the Prashna chart, you will come to an understanding whether the problem, whatever for you have done this ritual, has cleared it or some more you have to do it. So the another variation is the Kavadi Prashnam. Now if suppose you want to know the Kavadi Prashnam, so we do a prayer, we do a puja if need to be. After the prayer we put the Kavadi or the conch, and accordingly we fix the Lagna. With the Lagna we do the complete reading, and we don't take the houses into consideration. We take the planets and the lordship and we then do the reading. This Kavadi Prashna is quite famous. I will do a complete detailed YouTube video about Kavadi Prashna in the next coming sessions. So another way of also the Prashna chart is how this year will be. That also you can do it. That for that we use the Tajika chart, and that Tajika chart will tell you how the year is going to be. So when you do not have a date of birth, time of birth, don't worry, still you can see a astrological chart for yourself by doing the Prashna. If you want an online Prashnam or the Prashnam you want to have a consultation, just please call me. The number will be in the description box below. Just call me, fix an appointment. It will be very easy to do the Prashna with me, and also I'll also be able to help you with the solution or the guidance, whatever you need for. If you like the video, please share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.